Once again, Ma'am Rose Obina.
Happy 18th birthday, Kasinsen. Ti-wish ko king kaadel. Agadal ka ko mga ning, nakatulkol adan mo eh. Nauray na niya tinumtang na problema kinyacho. Han nga iso ko mati pa kapirjang ti panagadal mo. No di iso ko maading iti. Mangi porso king ka nga agadal mo. Naggasat tayo, tanagado dagiti papangamaan jo, kami ampi tayo, nga agay-ayat kinyacho, physical kan ay financially tumultulong dalat na kinyacho, iso nga hangka nga hamo nga dadadaulan ta bagin agadal ka ading ko, datala ang timay baga. Si Kasi manituloy iti pangarap ko nga hangko nga matupad.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Sana pakaganda at madamdaming mensahe sa ating celebrant. Ma'am, picture po muna kayo. Next, Ma'am Jerry Rose Milta.
So, congratulations on entering the new ladder of life, Nika. You are now entering to the adulthood. So you are now free to go and enjoy all things that you have been waiting for since forever began. So you have rendered life worthwhile to live and goals worthwhile to pursue. So life is adventure, and you need to take the reins of your own boat. So life has many up and downs, but it is important to stay true to oneself. I wish you all the very best for your future as a captain of your own ship. So, longevity, good health, and prosperity are my warmest wishes for you. So, on this day, may you have all the joys you desire. So, may this the first of many more days where beauty surrounds you. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Picture po muna. Next, Ma'am Jovita Campos. Han ka nagsangit ni nanay. Sige, man.
Ano yung bag na rabitay amin ako? At yung may bagak na iti anak ko. Nagsangit.
Nagsangit ni nanay.
Agadal ka nga nalang anak. Kung iti pangarap mo, tupadong ti pangarap mo, tapno kasta, maliwliwamot ti mamom, maliwliwamot ti papam, uray na awan ni mamam, adalat na ni papam. So nga, agadal ka nga nalang anak, hangka pa nga, aglobyo ka, hangka nga kwaan, hangka nga, hamang ito ko nga, ikaw nga kasaka mo. Agadal ka na lang anak ko nagpintas ka mo. I love you, anak ko.
Ay, Siti umiyak. Thank you so much, nanay. Next, Ma'am Mary Jane Campos.
Oy, Ate Kaisel, madiyak ang drama. Promise, nagpintas ni ading ko lakta. Joke lang, kanayon. So, ading, happy 18th birthday. As you celebrate your 18th birthday, may more your dreams may come true. Ate will always be proud of you. Tatuyak lang kanayon para kanyang bilang pinsan, ate, kun best friend. You are truly a blessing for all of us. You make our life brighter. Fill it with happiness and joy. Your birthday is another occasion to tell you that we love you infinitely. Having a cousin and real best friend who can share with me the joys and sorrows is a true blessing in my life. Again, Adiko, happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Before we start to 18 wine, may I read to you the short trivia about 18 wine. Every toast means a warm warm wish for a promising future ahead. It is a way of appreciating and honoring her humble presence in the lives of those people who in any way touch her heart and have been significant part of her life. So as I call your name, please come in front. Please come in front. Okay, to start with Ma'am Liza Joy Ibanez. Next, Ma'am Mary Chris Tuban. And the next, Ma'am Kristen Sibayan. Next, Ma'am Jonalyn Oligane. Next, Ma'am Hermy Delfen. And then next, Laika Laurian. Next, Rochelle Akbon. Next, Ma'am Cecilia Ramos. Next, Kyle Abad. Kyle Abad. Next, Janet Bataras. Next, Mikey Obena. And then next, Ma'am Melody Ibanez. Next, Ami Rizala. Next, Ma'am Gina Minta. Next, Ma'am Maricel Carolia. Next, Cassie Corinne Campos. Okay, ulitin ko po. Ma'am Rhea Campos, Beverly Campos, Liza Jolie Ibanez, Mary Cristoban, Kristen Sibayan, Jonalyn Oligane, Hermy Delfin, Laika Laurian, Rosel Akbon, Cecilia Ramos, Kyle Abad, Janet Pataras, Mikey Ubena, Melody Ibanez, Ami Rizala, Gina Minta, Maricel Carolia, and Ma'am Cassie Corinne Campos. So, syempre, meron din pong wine ng ating debutant. So, pagbilang po natin ng 3, sabay-sabay po nating inumin ang nasa inyong wine glass. In 1, 2, 3, go! Cheers!
Tapos hindi pumunta sa malayo sa walang may pake. Malalagpasan mo rin na lima basta
Ayun po, ladies and gentlemen, the 18 wine. So, wag po munang alis. Picture taking po muna sa ating birthday celebrant. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, moving to 18 candles. Once again, once I call your name, please prepare a short message to our birthday celebrant. First, Ma'am Angela Egros.
Happy 18th birthday, Danica. More birthday to come. Enjoy your special day too.
Wag po muna nating i-blow yung candle. Sabay-sabay pong i-blow ni Danica mamaya. Next, Ma'am Jerilyn Servitelio. Hey Ate Danica, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, God. Next, Ma'am Maria Angeline Abellera. Happy birthday, Ate Nick. Next, Ma'am Hannah Joy La Forteza.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Danica. Enjoy this special day moment of your life as you turn 18 today. May your future be as extraordinary as these 18 years. Hope this 18th birthday will inspire you to start that wonderful journey that you have always wanted your life to be.
Thank you so much. Next, Ma'am Sofia Joy Rutab.
Happy birthday, Danica. May your days be filled with success, joy, and exciting adventures. More chismis to come.
Thank you so much po. Picture po. Next, Ma'am Nicole Tabayoyo.
Happy birthday, Nika. Thank you for everything and thank you for my comfort person. More chikan and kadaganhan to come. I love you.
Thank you so much po. Ate, picture muna. Next, Ma'am Jassy Friheliana.
Hi Danica, congratulations in turning 18. Thank you for the friendship that we built since we were in Quevedo. Until now, wishing you all the success in life. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you so much po. Picture po. Next, Ma'am Melissa Ivy Bernardino.
Happy birthday, Danica. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. And more chismis to come.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Picture po. Next, Ma'am Lian Estrada.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Danica. May our Lord give you the desire of your heart and make all plans succeed.
Next, Ma'am Marge Tulete.
Hello, Teres. Oh, me? Ayan, happy birthday. Nakikita naman nagan kun. Sabi nga sa kanta, you look so beautiful in white. But tonight, you look so beautiful in peach. Meron pa. Just call my name and I'll be there. Thank you so much. Sana
Thank you so much po. Picture, ate.
Oh.
Next, Ma'am Cybel Campus.
Happy birthday, Tita. As you step into adulthood, I'm inspired by the person you've become. I wish you a future filled with joy and success. Our shared memories strengthen our bond, and I'm committed to supporting you in both big and small moments. Embrace the journey ahead with courage, savor the triumphs, and never forget the incredible person you are. May your life be surrounded by love, enduring friendships, and unbridled happiness.
Thank you so much, ate. Picture po. Next, Mama Tina de la Cruz.
Hello, Nika. Happy legality to you and thank you for being one of my room buddies or best friends sa classroom. And sana more memories pa sa atin during our senior high school year. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Next, Ma'am Angel Ferrer. We would like to acknowledge the arrival of our beloved Kagawad Winnie Hidalgo. Please give him a round of applause, please. Low. Welcome po, Kagawad.
Hi, Danica. Happy 18th birthday at it's hard to believe that you're officially an adult now. It feels like just yesterday. Dati naglalaro lang tayo ngayon. Ngayon nasa legal age ka na. Basta always remember that I am always here for you, to support you in everything. And as a friend or ate, I am so grateful to have you in my life. And I can't wait to see what future holds for you. Again, happy 18th birthday. May this year be filled with love, laughter, and countless unforgettable memories. Again, happy birthday, Danica. I love you.
Next, Ma'am Dian Dolores.
Hi Danica, happy 18th birthday. Time flies so fast and it seems like it was just a few months back and now you're turning 18 now. Welcome to the age of legality. May our Lord give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Love you.
Next, Ma'am Shane Angele Del Rosario.
Happy legal age, Nika. First and foremost, thank you for having me here. Wishing you a year ahead filled with joy, growth, and exciting adventures as you step into this new chapter of adulthood. May God bless you more.
Okay, picture po ate. And then requesting all the participants sa 18 candles na mag-form po tayo ng semicircle na nakaharap kay Danica para i-blow po niya ang candle. Okay, Danica, make a wish and blow the 18th candle. There you have, ladies and gentlemen, the 18 candles. Please give them a round of applause.
So push your body all night. So cover your eyes.
Okay, so
I hope you're gonna have a deep I'll give you a time.
magpapalit po ulit ang ating confirmation number.
Those tomorrows plot we're always just that close. Restless, toe to toe. Lips that will just inside of her rose. It's a hot burden, I reach on my finger. It's a feels the more than distance between us. In this California kingdom, when this 1,000 miles apart, up in California, wishing on the stars for your heart, for me, my California king. Eye to eye, cheek to cheek, side by side, you're sleeping next to me. Arm to arm, dust to down, with those curtains drawn, and last of the music, so hovering, I reach on my finger. It's a feel so more than this in between us. In this California kingdom, when this 1,000 miles apart, up in California, wishing on the stars for your heart, for me, my California king. That night and I didn't feel better. You know I asked some better. Sister, no wanna ask you, love me? Oh, see so great. Maybe I've been California dreaming. Ha 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 ha. In this California kingdom, when this 1,000 miles apart, then California, wishing on the stars for your heart, for me, California king. California king.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Okay, so sino pa? Sino pa ang gustong kumanta? May prize! Ano pa? Sino? Halika na. Sino? Ay, anong kakantahin mo, kuya? Anong pangalan mo?
Brian po.
Brian. Anong apelyido?
Campos.
Campos. Anong kakantahin mo, kuya?
Perfect.
Perfect. Malamig, ba't ang cold mo? Okay, perfect daw po.
I found the love for me. Oh, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, in a real world, there's someone waiting for me. Good as kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling,
listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Okay, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan.
This girl, I got my life, I was strong. It's a break, I want someone true. He can live in love alone. In my life, this is a dream. Say, oh, my dreams alone. I'm chasing away. Forgive me, God. Lady, won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me? My heart belongs to you. Lady,
Bigyan
oh
natin ng
lady. It's gone, forgot my life. Heart is gone. Still, I'm through all. I will get you around. Come back into my heart. I'm so alone. I will take you. I'm chasing away. Yahoo! Forgive me, God. Lady, what you say there? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, oh lady, oh lady. Yahoo!
Thank you, Pai!
Okay, thank you so much.
Kay Pasay.
Kuya, halika dito, halika dito. Oh, hindi pa siya nanalo. Magkano na price mo? Magkano, magkano? May yellow bell ako nakita eh. Magkano?
600 po.
Oh, naka 600 na siya.
Sana.
Thank you so much. Next, oh mayroon pa. Malay nyo, uulan ng blue
bills. Okay, next. Mark Campos. Ano pa natin? Okay, DJ, kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo. Kuya, broken ka ba? Broken ka ba, kuya? Ay, hindi daw. Tigar-garmatan.
Hello. Ang sangaran Itulis at di na matanang Titigil sa pag-ikot ng mundo Dahil wala ka na sa piling ko
Ay, nasakit!
Kung ika'y magmahal na ng iba Anong halagang mabuhay pa? Ibahin mo na ang araw at ang buwan Hindi na sisikat kailanman Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo Dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko Pagkat ito'y di natitibok Sa buhay na puno ng kirong Ang tanging ko na lang pakiusap Saan ka man ngayon umiiwan
Mayroon na naman!
Sana ko
Yellow Pilyata! Ay, meron pa!
Ang ating nakaraan ay sarap Ikaw
Ay, ayaw niya na! Hindi niya na tinapos! O, kuya, doon tayo. Magkano, kuya? Ay, may 500! Ilan lahat, kuya? Ay, di! Magkano, kuya?
670
Oh, 670! Kanta kayo! Kanta yan! Meron pa? Okay, si Ma'am Mariah Barcena. Halika natin. Konting convince pa. 600, 650. Susunod, 700. Ate Mariah. Ate, kanina 600. Naging 650. Ano kayang susunod? Abangan natin. Sino pa? Sino pa ba? Halika na, Ate Mariah. Hindi pa nagagalaw yung papremyo na binigay ni Kapitan. Oh! Okay, so ipagpapatuloy po natin mamaya dahil okay na daw po ang ating bingo time. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our lovely debutant, Miss Danica Campos.
I got a heart and I got a soul.
Okay, once again, our lovely debutant wearing a gown color of mint green. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss
kiss me where I lay down. My hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I've loved you since we were
Now, let's move on to our 18th relatives na kung saan ito yung mga taong pwede niyang malapitan. Ito yung mga taong gumagabay sa kanya. So start with, pag tinawag ko po ang inyong pangalan, magbigay po kayo ng konting message para po kay Danica. Sweet music po, maestro, kasi isasayaw daw po pala nila si Danica. I'm sorry. First, Sir Rene Campos. Second, Sir Cipriano Campos.
bawat sandali na
Paalala lang po na antayin po natin, okay na po sir, antayin po natin, dumating po yung next, wag po natin iiwan ang ating video time.
Di maintindihan saan nagkamali. Itong damdamin ko, saan ka na? Bakit ba nagkaganito? Ano bang dahilan hanggang ngayon ako'y gulong-gulong? Sana'y maintindihan. Ngayon ako'y nasasaktan at iniwan mong naghihintay sa'yo. Kami ang nananatiling panaginip, ang iyong pagbabalik, walang hangganan na paghihintay.
Okay, while sumasayaw po si Sir sa piano, ano pong message niyo para kay Danica?
Pinilan ang damdamin na
Nika, at lagtoy, at kami lang dotoy na pamilya, at tanim tim na baby. Anyaman nga problema anak, mangnamnama ka, tulungan da ka. Thank you.
Next, Sir Rogelio Campos Sr.
Kahit saan tumingin, larawan mo pa rin ang natatanaw madalas. Kahit saan ay nangangarap na makapiling ka sinta. Bakit nagkaganto? Ano bang dahilan hanggang ngayon ako'y gulong-gulong? Sana'y maintindihan.
Message ko sa'yo, Danica, mag-aaral kang mabuti. Sana matupad mo yung goal mo. At dito lang kami na mga tito mo nakasuporta sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday. Love you.
Next, Sir Rene Campos.
Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close and take one step. Keep your eyes locked on mine and let the music be your guide.
Won't you
Now that you promise me that you'll never forget.
Danica, on behalf of Uncle Rene, andito lang kami. Huwag kang mahihiyang sabi sa amin. Kahit anong mangyari, mahal na mahal ka kararap ko. Ngayon na inang amang aning ang mga awanan. Love ka namin. Hindi ka namin papabayaan kasi mahal namin si Papa ko, Pitong. At saka, tulungan mo yung mga kapatid mo, ha? Ganyan din ang ginawa ko nung nagpaaral din kami. Kararaglaang intet ni Apo. Iso nga hanggang nga madanagan, ha? Mahal ka namin ng mga uncle mo, pinsan mo, lima mo, o lahat ng pinsan mo. Kahit anong mangyari, mahal na mahal ka namin. Basta tapusin mo ang pag-aaral at saka mag-enjoy ka lang. Tulungan mo ni Papa, mga kapatid mo. Ha? Picture kayo. Picture po.
Next, Marijon Campos Sr. Ay, wag mo munang iiwan.
Happy birthday, anak. Magpakakita. Kararag ka ginagawa sa kapila ko, ma'am. Katulungan na kang makalpas ipanagagan mo. Pag matulungan ni Papang tinagita, ating mo. Happy birthday, anak. Love you.
Next, Ma'am Margarita Campos.
Amin nga panag-uungot ko kanya, pambagbaga kanyam, para kanyam amin. Sapay ko matabing amin nga ipagbaga kanya. Agagla dito nga, pangsusuporta kanya yung ang kaibag pa yan, pinahiyat ko yun.
Dancing time, watching trains go by. All of my life,
Danica.
lying on the
Next, Jeffrey Campos.
wishing there would be someone waiting there for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers still walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found a place, would I recognize her face? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you.
Happy birthday, ating ko. Ako katitugan natin sa basta enjoy yung birthday kung nagsisipot ka. wala problema. Kasi gan na kami lang nga kakasinsin mo. At kami nga tumulong ka. Adela, again, happy 18th birthday.
Picture po.
Maybe all we need is time.
Danica.
And it's telling me it might be you.
Next, Sir Joseph Obero. Next, Sir Ronnie Campos.
I've been saving love songs and lullaby.
Next, Sir Rodelio Campos.
No one's ever heard before. Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling it'll just be you. All of your love. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you.
May bagak lang, happy birthday ka nung ingat ay pagpagkakabigin mo na sa kanya kagaya mo tayo.
Happy face. Danica. One. Next, Barangay Kagawad, Mario Larian.
Wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again.
Again, atin ko, happy birthday. God bless you. Blessing upon blessing. Remember, life is short. Iso nga, sing-sing pat ka. Happy birthday mo na.
I just knew that I'd love again.
Next, Sir Cipriano Campos Jr.
Long while I'd love again. It was destiny's game. For when love finally
Next, Sir John Paul Campos.
came on, I rushed in line.
John Paul Campos.
That you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I've loved again. It was destiny's
Happy birthday, Danica. Happy 18th birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, ading, na maging mabait ka at huwag mong pabayaan yung sarili mo. Kung kailangan mo kami, siyempre parang kapatid na rin kita kasi lagi kang kinukuha ni ate na nakatira sa bahay dati. Siyempre bata ka pa, talagang alagang-alaga ka. Pag kailangan mo ako, sabihin mo lang, paperaman kita ng motor. Kung malungkot ka, di papasayin din kita, di ba?
You made me love again.
Next, Sir Rogelio Campos Jr.
Long while in love again. And I'm glad that it's you. You're my peace of mind.
Happy birthday, Ate. May bayo lang kanya, may baga ako maamin. Hindi kitong tulad ang ulatan.
Okay, copy-paste ulit.
Picture po.
Your love is a pearl.
Next, Sir Rufino Kagaskas. Sir Ricky Kagaskas. On behalf of Sir Rufino Kagaskas.
Okay. Hello, good evening. Go ahead, start. Okay, happy birthday, and then first of all, you will be the lucky one. Actually, in a campus family, no? First time natin magkaroon ng ganitong event. Na, you will be the lucky one. And then, may call nyo, boyfriend, please. May stand up.
Boyfriend daw, halika na. O yan. Ayan.
Okay.
Nagwang.
Okay. Paano ba? Hindi. Siyempre, kung, yung ano lang, yung, paano ba? Hindi ko nga nakinig. Hindi, kung sakali man, kung sakali, siyempre yung boyfriend, alam mo naman kung gaano namin iniingatan. Hindi, yun, iiyak si Danica. Hindi, yun, paano ba? Okay. Wala ka daw masabi, actually hindi naman ako yung Hindi, ganito na lang. When it comes to problems, siyempre nandito naman kami mga family mo. And then, got your back. And, study hard. Siyempre, yun lang naman ang may papamana nating kahit gano'n kahirap ang buhay, porsigido. Kasi hindi man, listen. May sinabi kasi si Lolo sa akin before, actually hindi na-experience ng iba. Sinabi niya to, sasabihin ko kung ano yung sinabi niya mismo sa amin Okay. Okay na, muna na. Uy, ang sigat din nalalaing, tiskwilaan, basta palpas mo tiskwilang, muna na niya amin. Uy, nung 75 ka, agyaman na, at mapalpas kayo amin. No pressure when it comes to study. Siyempre, sa experience ko, hindi naman kailangan yung high degree o license ka. Experience is much better. Sa tingin ko yun yung magiging go. Yun lang, thank you.
Next, Sir Efren Campus.
If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. If there's somebody,
Please get ready the participant for the blue
she's the
pills.
one. We were young, we were wrong, we were fine, all along. If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one.
Danica, happy 18th birthday. Sa lahat po ng mga sinabi din nila, hindi ko gagayahin yun. Be a strong, independent woman. Alam mo yan. Kasi, more than that, yung mga sakripisyo ng papa mo, isa-isip mo yan. Isa-puso mo yan. Ang pag-aaral, dapat din, kailangan mo ring seryosohin. Maybe call on the boyfriend, please. Please, naman. Ano yan?
Okay lang, okay lang. Payo ko lang sa inyo ha. Ang pagbo-boyfriend, it's an inspiration. Hindi naman dapat seryosohin muna. Since nasa legal age ka na rin siguro bro. Okay. Pag ang legal age natin, when it comes sa relationship, huwag nyo munang seryosohin. Unahin nyo munang pag-aaral, and then what comes next is next. Sabi nga nila, diba? And then what we have in the future must be done in the future. So as of now, please lang take into consideration yung studies nyo muna prior sa pagiging seryoso natin. And then hindi man ako ang tatay, pinsan lang ho ako. Although ako ang pinakahuling sumayaw, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And then, okay, pwede ka na umupo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Pinsan din ka, kamag-anak kami. Hindi kami yung tipo ng tao na kakatayin ka sa huli. Joke lang.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so tapos na po ang ating 18th relative na kung saan napakamadamdamin yung kanilang mensahe pero tagos po sa puso na hindi lang po dapat kay Nika i-apply yun kundi sa ating lahat. Okay? So, tayo ko na lang. Calling all the 18th relative para po magkaroon ng group picture. Participants sa Blue Bills na get ready na po. Thank you so much po, ladies and gentlemen, the 18th relatives. Okay, so sa 18th Blue Bills po, once I call your name, magbigay po ng short message and then abot na lang po natin kay Danica. So, start natin kay Sir Alex Cabinas.
Din ka na. Talaga na. Pwede na, Pwede na. Hindi, boyfriend mo na. Happy birthday.
Picture po muna, sir. Next, Ma'am Rose Ann Abad.
Happy birthday, Nika. Study hard, God bless.
Next, our Honorable Barangay Captain Archimedes.
Happy birthday, Danica. Susipot ka na ngayon. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ka. Next, Michael Adame. Message ka, ate.
Happy birthday, ate.
Picture ka lang. Next, Benito Ladaran.
Ulit. Happy birthday, late Awali soon.
Picture, ma'am. Picture po. Next, Bernardo Ibanez. birthday, ate. Baga ni Papa.
Next, Maricho Gapasan. Okay, next, Ma'am Marivec Ferrer.
Happy birthday! Nanin ko sa pala ko mati abot at sinisimpot ko kani ate Angel mo. Sa pala ko mati abot magpasyurti adang yung kini ate Angel mo kaya ito tuloy na ka namin iti pinagagan mo. Happy birthday!
Next, Ma'am Jamela Marie Campos.
Danica, happy birthday and may God always guide him.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Next, Conchita Campos.
Hi Danica, happy birthday. More blue bills to come and sana mag-grow itong blue bills mo at together na mag-grow ka as a person, being responsible sa lahat at mag-aral kang mabuti. Yun lang. Bless.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Picture po muna. Next, Ma'am Estela Campos.
Happy birthday, Nika. Sabihin ko, all the best for you. Basta magpakabait ka at saka magpakatatag. Yun. Dahil mahal ka namin. Basta inspiration mo si Papa mo. Ha?
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Next, Ma'am Victoria Orteza.
Babasahin ko na lang yung sinabi ni Ninang mo, Danica. Happy 18th birthday, Basang. Welcome to adulthood and I wish you all the luck and happiness in your life. Just enjoy and hope to finish your study. Keep on dreaming.
Thank you so much po. Picture, ate. Next, Ma'am Evelyn Campos.
Anika, happy 18th birthday. Masasabi ko lang, I cannot guarantee that your life after 18th will be completely smooth, but as your friend, I assure you that I will always stand by your side each day and every step of your life. Happy 18th birthday.
Next, Ma'am Maria Dolores Hernandez.
Happy birthday, Nika. Study hard. We love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Next, Sir Ray Fernandez. Pinapaabot.